buying a gift.
Looking for a gift today?
Yes, I need a gift.
Who is the gift for?
For my friend, her birthday.
Nice. What does she like?
She likes small, cute things.
Maybe a candle or a mug?
A mug sounds okay, I think.
Look here, many mugs here.
Oh, there are many choices.
Yes, take your time, no rush.
This one is nice, maybe.
What do you like about it?
It has flowers and soft colors.
Yes, it looks very pretty.
But is it too simple?
Simple can be very nice.
Yes, she likes simple things.
You can add a small card.
Oh, yes, that is better.
Cards are over there, see?
I don't know what to write.
Keep it short and kind.
Maybe happy birthday, dear friend?
That sounds perfect and sweet.
Okay, I will take this mug.
Great choice. She will like it.
I hope. If not, I keep it.
Then you get a nice mug.
Yes, win-win situation, right? Exchanging money.
Hi, how can I help?
Hi, I want to change money.
Sure. Which currency do you have?
I have euros from my trip.
Great. How much do you want?
Maybe 200 euros.
Okay, I can check the rate.
Yes. What is the rate now?
Today, €1 is $1.
Oh, that sounds easy to understand.
Yes, today is very simple math.
Good. I like simple math.
Do you want all in cash?
Yes. I think only cash.
Small bills or large bills?
What is better?
Small bills are easy for shops.
Okay, give me small bills, please.
No problem. I will prepare it.
Is there any extra fee?
Yes, a small service fee.
Oh, how much is the fee?
It is $5 total.
Okay, that is fine for me.
Please sign here. Thank you.
Yes, like this?
Yes, that is perfect.
Can I count the money now?
Of course. Please take your time.
1, 2. Yes, it is correct.
Great. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Milk allergy.
Hi, what would you like today?
Hi, I want a coffee, please.
Sure. Milk or no milk?
I have a milk allergy.
Oh, thanks for telling me.
Yes, I must always be careful.
We have oat milk and soy.
Oat milk. Is that safe?
Yes, no dairy in oat milk.
Okay, I will take oat milk.
1 oat milk coffee, right?
Yes, but please check again.
Of course, I will double check.
Thank you. I worry sometimes.
It is okay. Safety is important.
Also, no butter or cream, please.
Yes, no dairy at all.
And what about the cake?
Some cakes have milk inside.
Oh, I cannot eat those cakes.
We have vegan cake here.
Vegan means no milk, right?
Yes, no milk or butter.
Great. I will try that cake.
Good choice. Very popular cake.
I hope it tastes good too.
I think you will like it.
Okay, I feel safe here.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Problem with payment.
Hi, ready to pay today?
Yes, I want to buy this jacket.
Great choice. Please come here.
Okay, I pay with my card.
Sure. Please tap your card here.
I did it. Nothing happened.
Let me see. Try one more time.
Okay, I will try again now.
It still does not work.
Oh, maybe my card is broken?
It could be the machine, too.
Really? Not only my card?
Yes, machines have bad days.
Oh, like people, I see.
Can you insert the card?
Yes, I put it inside now.
Please enter your PIN number.
Okay, I type it slowly.
Let's wait for a moment.
It says transaction declined.
Do you have another card?
Yes, I have one more.
Great. Let's try that one.
Okay, please work this time.
It is processing now.
Come on, please go through.
Yes, it is approved now.
Thank you, that was stressful.
Payment problems happen sometimes.
Yes, my heart was so fast. Conversation on a train.
Is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. It is okay.
Are you going far today?
Not very far, I think.
Same here. Just a short trip.
Oh, where are you going?
I go to Oxford for work.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yes, it is quiet and pretty.
I'm going to visit my friend.
That sounds fun for you.
Yes, I hope she is home.
You did not tell her?
No, I want to surprise her.
That is a bold idea.
Yes, maybe too bold, actually.
Do you travel often?
Not really, only sometimes.
I take trains every week.
Oh, that is a lot.
Yes, I know all the stops.
Then you are like a guide.
Yes, a train guide today.
Good. I feel more relaxed now.
Next stop is your station?
Yes, I think so.
Get ready, it is coming soon.
Okay, I'm standing up now.
Nice talking with you today.
Thank you. Have a good trip. Speaking English in Chicago.
Hi, do you need help?
Yes, I am a little lost here.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
I look for a bus stop.
Which bus number do you need?
I think number 22 bus.
Okay, that bus stops nearby.
Oh, that is good to hear.
Walk straight, then turn left.
Straight, then left, right?
Yes, then you see a sign.
A sign for the bus stop?
Yes, a blue bus stop sign.
Okay, I will try to find it.
Do you want me to show you?
Oh, you can come with me?
Yes, I walk that way too.
Thank you. That is very kind.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, first time in Chicago.
Welcome. It is a busy city.
Yes, many cars and people.
You will get used to it.
I hope I learn fast.
Your English is easy to understand.
Really? I make many mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. Keep speaking.
Okay, I will try more.
Here is your bus stop.
Oh, I see it now.
Have a great day today.
Thank you for your help. A walk in the park.
Nice day for a walk, right?
Yes, the weather is very nice.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, not every week.
I come here after work.
Oh, to relax and walk?
Yes, it helps me feel better.
I like quiet places like this.
Look, many people today.
Yes, and many dogs too.
Dogs love this park a lot.
I like dogs. They're friendly.
Do you have a dog?
No, I want one, maybe.
They need time and care.
Yes, I am busy these days.
The trees look very green.
Yes, spring makes everything fresh.
It feels good to walk here.
I feel calm, no stress now.
Do you like long walks?
Not too long, maybe 30 minutes.
That is a good time.
Yes, not too tired after.
Look, a small lake there.
Oh, it is very pretty.
Let's sit there for a bit.
Yes, I would like that.
Walking with someone is nice.
Yes, it feels less lonely. Asking for help in the library.
Hi, do you need help?
Yes, I am looking for a book.
Sure, what book do you need?
A book for English learning?
We have many English books here.
Oh, I don't know which to choose.
No problem, I can help you.
Thank you. I need an easy one.
Try this Level 1 book.
Level 1? Is it very simple?
Yes, short stories and easy words.
That sounds good for me.
Look, this book is popular.
Can I read here or take home?
You can do both, your choice.
I want to take it home.
Do you have a library card?
Oh, no, I don't have one.
You can make one today.
Really? Is it a fast process?
Yes, only 5 minutes.
Okay, I will make one now.
Please fill this short form.
Yes, I will write my name here.
Great, now sign at the bottom.
Like this? Is it okay?
Yes, that looks perfect.
Good. I feel more confident now.
Here is your new card.
Thank you. I am very happy.
Enjoy your reading time.
I will. See you again. The garden lesson.
Morning. Ready for garden work?
Yes, I want to learn about plants.
Great. We start with small tasks.
Okay, what do I do first?
First, water these small plants.
How much water is enough?
Not too much, just a little.
Okay, I pour slowly now.
Good. Keep the soil wet.
Soil means the dirt, right?
Yes, soil is the plant base.
Oh, I understand now.
These leaves look a bit dry.
Oh, is that a problem?
Not big. They need more water.
Okay, I give more water here.
Now remove the small weeds.
Weeds? What are those?
Bad plants. They take space.
Oh, not good for the garden.
Yes, pull them out gently.
Like this? Is it correct?
Yes, that is very good.
Nice. I like this work.
It is relaxing, right?
Yes, I feel calm and happy.
Do you have plants at home?
No, but I want some now.
Start small, maybe one plant.
Yes, I don't want a jungle. Lost luggage.
Hi, you look worried.
Yes, I have a problem here.
What happened? Can I help?
I've lost my suitcase.
Oh, I see. When did it happen?
After I came here.
Okay, don't worry too much.
It has all my clothes.
Did you check the baggage area?
Yes, I already checked there.
Let's go to the lost luggage desk.
Okay, I feel a bit scared.
It happens more than you think.
Really? Do other people lose bags?
Yes, but most are found quickly.
That makes me feel better.
Do you have your baggage ticket?
Yes, I have it here.
Good. This will help a lot.
I hope they find it soon.
Please describe your suitcase.
It is black, medium size.
Okay, I will report it now.
How long does it take?
Usually a few hours or days.
Oh, I need it today.
We will try our best.
Thank you. I feel stressed.
You are not alone here.
Thank you. That helps a lot.